In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I make barbecue chicken. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. The ingredients I'll be using for my barbecue chicken would be chicken legs. I already cleaned them, patted them dry because you want the skin as dry as possible, you know, to get the crispy skin, okay? Seasoning, some poultry seasoning, some seasoning salt, and this will be the barbecue sauce I will be using, will be the Sweet Baby Ray's, okay? And for our sides, we'll be having some frozen collard greens, okay? This is a weeknight. If you're doing Sunday dinner, by all means, get some fresh ones. We're using box macaroni and cheese, okay? And I'm going to add this jar of cheese sauce to the macaroni and cheese. I have my chicken placed on a baking sheet lined with foil. Sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray, and I showed y'all in another video how I seasoned the foil. Okay, now I'm gonna season this side. Okay, I'm gonna put a little up here like that, because you know the barbecue sauce is also a little salty, so I don't want to go overboard with the seasoning. Okay, like this. Then we're gonna place it in a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, while the chicken is in the oven, I went ahead and put on the water for the macaroni and cheese and the greens. And we're going to just let that water come to a boil. Okay? Okay, our water is boiling for the greens. Okay, we're just going to dump them in now. Like so. Gonna add the other bags. Okay. Okay, you're going to let them come to a boil again. Till the water comes to a boil. Then you're going to turn the pot down. You're going to place the top on top of your greens. And you want to let them cook for about 30 minutes. Or until they're tender enough for you. Okay, if you're new to cooking and someone say let something come to a boil, this is what you want to see. You know, you want, if y'all can see past this thing. Okay. You want to see the water bubble up like this. Can y'all see that? Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add our chili. Just going to let this cook for 8 minutes. Okay? And then I'm going to drain the water off of them. I'm not going to rinse them. I'm just going to drain the water. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to add the cheese packets that came with the shells and cheese. Should have already had these opened up. So I just add one and then add the rest. So it won't be like I took up too much of y'all time. Okay? Okay. Now I'm just going to start that in. Now you can leave it like this if you want to. I mean after you mix it all in. Okay, but I'm not going to do so. Okay, mix it in. Mix all the cheese together. Okay, and then I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Just a little, okay? And you want to season this to your taste. You don't have to do this if you don't choose to. This is just what I do, okay? You don't have to do this. But this is what I do. So it won't taste like it came out the box, okay? But if you into that taste, then by all means, go for it. Okay? Now I'm going to add a half a jar of this cheese sauce. Why not add all of it, okay? Why not? Alrighty. I'm just going to mix this in. And we're going to turn it on low until it thickens up. You can leave it creamy like this. It's not bad. See how I said when I add the cheese sauce, and you turn it on low and just let it thicken up. See that? Okay, now that our chicken is done, we're just going to brush on some of the barbecue sauce. And don't mind the Rennis wrap. That's just the seasoning because we had it on such a high temperature. Okay? So we're just going to put the sauce on it like this. I don't like a whole lot on mine. Okay. Like that. Okay, and you can hear the crispiness. Look. Can you hear that? So it's crispy. Okay, and we're just going to brush it on like this. Then we're going to place it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, just until the sauce heats up. Okay, now that the greens are done, I drained the water off of them. And now I'm just going to add a little seasoning salt to them. Not too much, because they can get salty real quick, okay? And I don't want that. And make sure y'all season this to y'all taste. Y'all know what y'all like, okay? So just make it happen for yourselves. Okay? Alright, now they're done. Okay, y'all, this is our finished plate. To all my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I really would appreciate it. Thank you.